Now, this look like a very similar problem like before, right? Because it lacks this dynamic linking library. If you find this file in Book1, this file does not exist in Book1. The file is gone in Book1. But this file exists in Buster. This is the previous version. Okay? And let me see, Bullseye. Okay, Bullseye, we still have this version, but we don't have this in Book1. So what should we do? We go to AMD64, right? Our architecture is AMD64, right? So we go to AMD64 and download this package. Download AMD64. Click this, and where is the file? Okay, we download this file. Right mouse button, just back up the link. Now I use wget to download this file first. Please make sure you download the newest version, which is from security.debian.org. This is a security update file. It will fix any possible bugs. We use wget to download this file. Then we use unar to extract unar to extract this file. So we use unar to extract this file. And you can see we have another file called data.tar.xz. Remember, the operation is basically the same. We change it to this directory. And we type tar.xva data. It will extract a lot of files here. Then you can see we have lib qtscript.so.4. Our missing file is this one, right? And this file is located here. So we go to cp-a _9 -user lib x86 to user lib. Oh, sorry, I needed to use root. I needed to use root permission to run this program. Now, if you take a look at ls-l user lib x86 lib qt script here, you will see that you have this one, right? You have this. You have this one, right? Okay, so let's run the program again. Sorry, I needed to use root permission. Okay, so after we copy the file, we can source again. Source and run ICC share -60 -64-bit 64-bit GUI. Okay, the same. So that's why I tell you we may not be able to solve all these problems today, because Qt, there are a lot of Qt dynamic linking library needed to be set up one by one. So this time it demands you to have this file. So this time we needed to install this again. So okay, I will give you my note now. Then I think we can finish this next time. We can finish this next time because I don't think this is the desktop file we require. there are a lot of libqt file that requires to be installed. Okay, so I will give you my note first. Please solve this problem and reach to this error, and I will tell you how to solve this later.